syempre part ng adulting yung mag-give back sa family mo. Kasi kung hindi naman dahil sa, ano daw? Ala, hindi ka nagpaalam, no? Hindi alam ng magulang mo na nandito ka. Guys, nag-canvas lang kami ng furniture. O yan, single S na. I hope you're proud. Ay, wala nang S. Wala. Kamali pa rin pala talaga. Anak ko nga pala. Lahat sila kasi, pati si Zion, anak ko daw. Good morning, mga kapere! Today is another day, and later, I will be with my family. By the way, this is Bea Daily Adulting Part 2. Oh, slay! Okay, mga kapeti, before anything else, it's actually my finals month. And grabe, don't know, since stress ako, ang takbuhan ko talaga is food. Pero kasi, alam nyo naman, kailangan nating i-maintain yung body natin. So, I've actually seen this na For You page ko, and it's so trending. I think you guys know this na nga eh. I've been trying this trending beauty white capsule from You Glow Babe. Actually, I've been seeing this sa For You page ko na nakakapayat din daw siya. Like, besides yung nakakaputi siya, nakakapayat siya. Actually, 3 days ko pa lang siya tinitake. Kaya ko talaga to binili dahil kay Ate Sash na nakita ko na parang nag-reply siya sa isang nagtanong paano niya nakikip yung figure niya. So, tinitake ko to 30 minutes before my first meal. And parang yun nga, 3 days ko pa lang ito tinitry. And parang may effect naman siya kasi nagle-lessen yung appetite ko, yung kain ko, kahit na stress ako. And alam ko madami mag-a-ask if okay ba siya sa mga acidic, ganyan. Actually, I myself is acidic. Pero, pwede to sa mga acidic cause yung vitamin C niya is sodium ascorbate. So, if you're acidic, sobrang pwede to. Kaya yun, let's take it na. Share ko lang. Ang cute to. Beauty white, tas pink yung capsule. Tapos, usually, I set a timer for 30 minutes. Pero minsan, hindi na ako nagsiset ng timer kasi hindi ko na napapansin na 1 hour na pala nakalipas. Tapos, hindi pa ako nakakakain. Tapos, doon ako nag-eat. Kaya yan. Anyways, see you later, mga kapeti. Wow. Hi, mga kapeti! This is Adulting Part 2. And I wanna share that I got an investment condo. I'll explain it more on the day itself. But this is part 2 of adulting. Like, just an update on my condo rental. And then, tonight, I'll be meeting my family. Kasi part yun ng adulting. Dapat binabalance mo yung work. Work, school, and time with your family. And kasi, yung mall na pupuntahan namin, meron dong place na merong nagtitinda ng furniture. I'm gonna check it out. Kaya, I am starting this vlog already. Anyways, I'll see you guys later. I'm here for my baby cousin, si Zion. I was so excited. Tapos biglang pagkadating ko, wala. I was like, where's Zion? Wala. I'm so disappointed. Ang cute ni Zion, oh. Alam niyo, sa totoo lang, we're all so lutang. Parang, hindi kami nagkakaintindihan. Kuya Jones, there's a place here. There's a place here na may mga furniture. Check it out later. Tapos, alam mo yung mga mura lang na furniture. Pero magaganda. Yun yung mga pinapabili ni Mom. So, kakain kami. I'm so sad talaga wala si Zion. He was so cute pa naman. Kakainis. Pray. Go pray.
Bless the Lord and these nuggets which we're about to receive. Sana po Zion gets better because right now he's sick.
Oh, he's sick?
Yeah. He is. May sakit yun.
So, mga kapeti, yung tito ko, currently na meeting right now. Ito yung other kong tito. He's the one who owns the one sa building ko. Kung napanood nyo na yung family building tour ko, i-insert ko na lang here. But anyways, since na adulting na tayo, yung uncle ko na yun ang laging nagpipay ng bill. As in, lahat ng family gathering namin, he's the one who pays for the bill. He's the second child. And share ko lang, I'm also the second child. Hoy, pinapainom mo ng alak! Kita ko yun! Now, I'm gonna surprise him. Ako yung magpipay ng bill kasi ang dami sa akin pumasok na payments yesterday. So, just a little, diba? Pagka nakita ng tito ko, gugulat siya. And I really look up to him. Actually, lahat kaming magkakapatid, we look up to him. Kasi imagine nyo, nagpa-family dinner kami ngayon, but where is he? He's in a meeting. Like, he went sa car just to attend a meeting. Ayun, I'll pay for the bill. Hindi makapaniwala yung tito ko. I'm gonna pay daw. Adulting nga kasi, diba? Syempre, part ng adulting yung mag-give back sa family mo. Kasi kung hindi naman dahil sa, ano daw?
That you had.
If not for them, wala ako dito ngayon. Share ko lang, 1 year din akong nag-avoid sa kanila man my parents' time. Like, 1 year ako naging walang kwenta. Oh, sige, go, pakita mo. Gang, gang. Oh, diba? Oh, ano natutunan mo sa Ateneo?
Gang, gang.
Eh, mas alam niya pa mag-gang, gang, kaysa mag-aral. Ikaw, nagme-message sa akin, nag-email sa akin teacher mo, ha? Nag-gang, gang, gang, gang ka dyan. Patawa-tawa kasi seryoso ako. Gang. Oh, diba? Yeah, boy, I paid for the bill. 2,900.
I'll pay for it.
No, it's okay. Yep. He couldn't believe because it's always him who pays for the bill. No guys, sobrang spoiled neto sa akin ni Jacob, right? Pero ngayon hindi ko siya spoil kasi nakakakuha ko ng email sa teacher niya. Kaya ayoko muna siyang i-spoil. Sobrang baby ko to si Jacob. Lahat ng gusto niyang food, sinusundo ko siya kahit sobrang traffic. And sobrang akong na-touch kasi recently binilan niya ako ng earrings from Korea, right? Thank you!
Christmas gift. Christmas gift.
Oh, he's not a baby anymore. Okay, let's go. Alam niyo ba, binilan ko si Blight ng ganito? Binilan ko siya ng ganito kasi favorite niya si Kuromi. Hello! Hi, mga kapeti! Yay! Ala, hindi ka nagpaalam, no? Hindi alam ng magulang mo na nandito ka. Hindi pa alam po yan. Alam, nagpaalam. Wala yung tropa po namin. Yes! Yes, mga kapeti! Yes! Mga overhead cabinets. May ganun kayo.
Wardrobe.
Ang mga wardrobe lang mga overhead cabinets. Don't have overhead cabinets. That's really what I need na lang talaga. Mga ganito. Hindi. Kuya, ang laki neto, ah. Cute. Is it bagay? But I want blush pink. So should I get this chair? This is my money color according to my feng shui. Yellow. Comfy.
Yeah, this
It's
one is
comfy.
super. Kasi medyo mas baka hindi siya bumagay sa blush natin.
Yeah, it's not yellow yet. Dapat light. Night, mga kapeti, matutulog na ako. Uy, it's mura here kasi if y'all watch my one sa SM North, 19,000 and it's this big. And then meron dito 14,000, tapos meron ding 17. It's mura here. Guys, nag-canvas lang kami ng furniture. O yan, single S na. I hope you're proud. Ay, wala nang S. Wala. Kamali pa rin pala talaga. And I'm just gonna buy a curtain rod. This is for my unit that I'm gonna have rented out. Which one? 2 meters daw, sabi ng tito kong interior designer na ilalagay ko ulit yung IG account niya there. So which one, Kuya Jones?
What about this?
How much is it in SM? Mga kapete, yung mahal pala dito. Ilang meters? Ang cute kaya! Ang cute kaya ni Sayon! Cute pa rin! Baby pa rin yan! Bye, Aboy. Good night. Love you. Bye. Thanks for the book. Bye. Love you. I'm home. I am in Wilcon right now. I'm using my phone to vlog. I have my vlogging cam here and I even brought the microphone. The thing is, well, nakalimutan ko yung SD card ko. But anyways, I'm in Wilcon kasi nga, kailangan ko bumili ng rod for the curtain and overhead cabinet. And then that's it. I'm literally done na. So, na talaga ito ma-finish so that I'll be on to the next na. Oh! Nakuha na ako finally. Hi Kuya, it's you again. Pinanood niya na daw yung vlog ko and I'm back here again. Ay, nakaka-stress din pala maging landlord. Eme! Okay, guys, sobrang grateful ako for this but like nakaka-stress din siya. Gusto ko na lang talaga siya maparentahan. Ayun, kulang na lang talaga ako ng overhead cabinets and then that's it. Paparentahan ko na talaga siya. Yun na, tapos na ako. Anyways, ngayon pupunta ako sa town, magpapagawa ko ng nails. So last vlog ko din nagpagawa ko ng nails. Pero ngayon gusto ko, ayun na siya, chip na siya. Hirap maging babae ang high maintenance. Tapos, diba, magpapasakit lang ako sa inyong mga lalaki. Ganon talaga, no? Lagi ko talagang sinicircle doon. But yeah, papaano ako, nails, tapos mag-gym ako. And then, that's actually it. Tomorrow, I am gonna work. I have a shoot for a vlog. Guys, nagpa-nails ako. Yan. Hindi ako nakapag-video while nagpapa-nails kasi ang hirap. Nasa gym ako and share ko lang walang tao. This is how I'll be spending my Friday night, mga kapeti. Sa gym. Sa gym ako mag-spend ng Friday night ko. Woo! Let's go! Let's go! Good morning, mga kapeti! I am finally with baby Zion! Who's not so baby anymore! Say hi!
Hi.
Say good morning, mga kapeti!
My carpet again.
Yay! Mwah! Are you excited for today? Yes? No. What are you doing, love? Say, see you later, mga kapeti.
You with the carpet.
Yay! Hey, mga kapeti. So, we're finally here sa 3 Torre Lorenzo in Taft. By the way, mga kapeti, this is very close to St. Benilde and some offices. And di ko pa nasasabi, but I got a unit here which I co-own with my uncles. I've been mentioning naman sa vlogs ko na I get passive income through real estate kasi ito talaga yung line of business ng family namin. And yeah, boy, ito na, magpakita ka na!
Hello.
Pero ang dami kasi nagsasabi na meron akong katandang sponsor. But yan yung tito ko. So, ang ginawa ko, ayaw niya talaga magpakita formally. Although nakikita niyo glimpse, ayaw niya lang talaga mag-hi. Although, ang ginawa ko is, sabi ko, Yabs, sige na please, ikaw na sa down payment and I'll do the monthly. And pumayag naman siya. And katulad ng ginagawa ko sa ibang properties ko, pinapa-monthly rental ko sila. So now, ipapakita ko sa inyo, bago kong project. Kasi bago kong project na i-work on, ipapa-monthly rental ko ulit. So, tara, let's go mga kapeti. So, here's the lobby. Feeling ko talaga ako yung sa Priscello. Slay. Let's go! Are you excited? Are you excited? Anak ko nga pala. Lahat na lang kasi, pati si Zion, anak ko daw. Wow! So, mga kapeti, tip, if you're looking like to invest on a property or specifically a condominium, tumingin na kayo like yung mga inclusions neto. For example, yung sa isa kong condo, medyo nahihirapan ako ngayon. Ready na halos lahat. Pero hindi ko pa siya mapa-rent out kasi walang mga overhead cabinet. Tapos, here sa Torre, may mga kasama ng range hood, may kasama ng mga modular cabinets na, alam niyo yun, hindi siya madaling masira. Tapos, besides that, it also already came with a cabinet. Honestly, yung mga maliliit na bagay na ganito, kung sa tingin nyo hindi siya important, it's actually very important. Like, it saves you a lot of money. Just a tip from me kasi, you know, I've been handling properties. Sushi! So, it's this. Perfect na perfect siya for students. Small pero everything that you will need is already here. And ang target talaga kasi namin are students or nag-work sa office dito nearby. And guys, merong, hindi siya balcony, but this is actually really smart. This is, ano tawag dito? Drying. Drying cage. So, yes, my love. So, meron mga kasamang bata at mga, joke lang. Dito kayo mag-dry ng mga linabhan nyo. And this is the view. Very city. So, mga kapeti, here's the roof deck. So, may mga function room dito. This is one of the amenities. Napansin ko sa Torre, meron silang mga study lounge kahit sa Katipunan. Alam nyo mga kapeti, compared to my other condo units, whenever I enter Torre, it doesn't feel like I'm entering a condominium. It feels like I'm entering a hotel. I don't know why. It just has that vibe, you know. So, this is the function room. Yan. You can have our like host party here. Ano bang ginagawa sa function room, Yaboy? Party? Party, get-togethers, meetings, yeah. So there, it's actually really huge. Mga kapeti, the gym here is so nice, ha? Ewan ko kung hindi kayo magiging gym rat. Nakaka-motivate. Come here. Check, check, check. And of course, ang hindi mawawala sa ating mga Pilipino, pool. Parang sa mga, kunwari nag-rent tayo, o Airbnbs, get-together, party, parang napaka-important ng pool. Pansin niyo ba? And here's the pool. Ang ganda! And then, mga kapeti, nandun yung jacuzzi. Zion, jump! Jump! Joke! Don't do that. Here's the study lounge. And syempre, most importantly, mga kapeti, the receptionist, the people, the guard, and basically, the overall service here in Torre Lorenzo is very nice. Hi mga ates and kuyas! Mag-hi po kayo sa vlog ko. Hi! Yay! Thank you so much po! I honestly don't know what's up with my family, but they don't wanna be seen sa vlog ko. Anyways, andito kami ngayon sa restaurant, sa BGC, and we're just gonna eat. And that's it. That's my Sunday. Jacob and his reading era. No. See, they don't wanna be seen. He's gonna sue me. Are you gonna sue me if I include this?
Yeah, this is cyber protection.
That's cute, love.